they're able to showcase the commitment to both academic and athletic excellence. Following the success of QC Wildlife Fun Run, which raised awareness for the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, or kilala po natin na ang QC, and supported the most holy Redeemer Parish. Mas malalawakin pa sa susunod na taon ang kain ng Fun Run 2.0, where the funds raised will go towards the chosen foundation from District 1. Bukod po dito, may nakalakardagang pondo upang mapanatili at makalawak ng environmental programs, ensuring a greener and healthier future for the community. Medyo mahaba po. Okay ba po lahat? Thank you. Of course, we also want to provide venues for our youth to have fun, music, all these activities for kids. I don't see it as a political strategy. I see it as fun. And we have organized Music Laban, which drew 60,786 attendees last year. Music Laban is a program that gives young people a chance to experience Spotify live, so they can chill, have clean fun with the magic of music. At dahil sa positibong epekto po nito, Mayor Joy Belmonte expanded into a citywide event, providing more opportunities for the youth and further strengthening Quezon City's thriving music scene. For this, Mayor, maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you. Para sa mga pamilyang Pilipino, alam natin hindi lang isang aspeto ng buhay ang kailangan tulungan. Dahil dito, 132,567 na pamilya ang nabigyan ng ayuda sa pamamagitan ng ating Rice Distribution Program, isang konkretong hakbang para mapagaan ang kanilang araw-araw na gastusin. Now, to help address the food insecurity and hunger, busog po ang 65,300 beneficiaries who receive meals from our Kusina on Wheels. At sa panahon naman po ng Pasko, kailangan talaga po natin magbigay sa season for giving, love, and hope. Tayo po sa panahon ng Pasko, 64,000 na pamilya ang nakatanggap ng pamasunang loob. Sa dami pong kalagyan, hindi rin po yung pinabayaan ang mga nasalanta ng sulog. 7,789 na pamilya ang ating natulungan at 3,501 na pamilya naman ang nabigyan ng burial assistance sa oras ng kanilang pangangailangan. On top of this, we also extended financial assistance to 40,684 individuals for their various needs. We have also endeavored to bring essential public services to our people. To make passport applications more convenient, the Passport on Wheels program was put in place at Fisher Hall para hindi na kailangan pumila sa DFA ng mga taga-district 1 at diretso na po tayo sa pinakamalapit ng hall para makakuha ng passport natin. Meron po, may free din po, nakasabayan ng NBI clearance to make it easier for constituents to apply for employment. Throughout the year, iba't ibang seasonal events ang nagbibigay sa distrito. Tuwing Pebrero naman po, dyan po rin nalabasan ng mga love stories na nabasa ko. Ang D1 True Love ay isang Valentine's celebration kung saan 40 couples receive a free staycation or romantic dinner bilang pagkakakilala sa kanilang inspiring love stories. Sa Oktubre naman, hindi tayo magpapahuli. Ang district, the first ever district deck house, offers a thrilling haunted house experience tuwing Halloween naman po yan. During the holiday season, our Pamasko Hackot Challenge brought unexpected joy to 15 lucky residents, giving them a chance to shop groceries with a 10,000 peso budget, delivering not just happiness or surprises, but will support the families in need. At the end of the year, the annual Christmas party gathered barangay and SK officials for a meaningful celebration, strengthening relationships and fostering